So today I'm going to show you what Heson shaving is all about and whether their razors and shaving products are really worth it. So to get started, Heson Shaving is a grooming brand known for its premium razors and skincare focused shaving products. They focused on giving smooth, irritation-free shaved with high-quality blades. Then, let's talk about what makes them stand out. Their razors are built with precision stainless steel blades and comfortable ergonomic handle that gives better control while shaving. The shave cream and aftershave are made with natural ingredients like aloe vera and essential oils, perfect for reducing redness and keeping your skin hydrated. Next, let's go over the performance. The blade glides easily even on thick hair, and the cream lathers nicely without clogging. It leaves the skin feeling clean, smooth, and refreshed with no burning or dryness afterwards. And finally, let's talk about the value. Heson offers subscription option and bundle packs, which can save money if you shave often. It's a solid pick if you want premium shaving experience without spending too much. So that's it. That's my quick take on Heson shaving.